Now, the opposition may have lost the vote in both houses of parliament, but says it will not stand by and watch PETROJAM's assets being disposed of in a manner that is not transparent. Dr. Peter Phillips outlined his next move in an interview with TVJ's Dashan Hendricks.
The vote in the Senate on Friday sealed the deal for the government to move ahead with its compulsory acquisition of the 49% stake in PETROJAM, now held by Venezuela. But opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips said that's not the end of the issue.
We will not stand by as a parliamentary opposition and allow the asset to be disposed of by private treaty.
Dr. Phillips said he heard rumors but cannot substantiate that private entities not yet revealed are lining up to purchase the assets. He said he believes that's why the valuators were instructed to value the refinery on the basis of it ceasing production activities and instead operating as a terminal, importing and reselling finished petroleum products. Dr. Phillips said that the Prime Minister failed to reveal that detail in Parliament on Tuesday raises questions about the truthfulness of the government.
Our major concern is that it seems that a determination was made going far back that it was not viable.
He said the opposition is now looking into the statements made by the Prime Minister in relation to PETROJAM to determine if Parliament was misled and also to understand the motivation behind the lack of clarity being provided. Dr. Phillips says he now awaits the Zaka report to see what it will say on the future of PETROJAM, and he said in the event it recommends locking down the refinery, he will insist the enterprise team overseeing the process will have independent representation.
Because the government seems to have lost all credibility in this matter.
He insists the opposition has no interest in the value of PETROJAM, but rather the truth surrounding the actions the government is taking regarding its future. Dr. Phillips also questioned why the government has indicated that it will spend $30 million in the next few months to start the construction of the vacuum distillation unit to improve the oil refining process, as well as maintenance and replacement work on its storage tanks, if it has already made the decision to close the refinery, as indicated by the $34 million valuation. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.